Hi, welcome to episode number 10 of Building the Royal Louise. She's finished, at least. Very, very closely. This is just a short update on the things that I've done. Let me start at the back of the ship. Oh. As you see, I added chains. They're a bit long, I think. I might shorten them, but for now I'm going to leave them like this. Here I put on all the cannon hatches. Some of them are closed, some of them are opened. I also noticed that I didn't really like putting in the little bits of rope in the cannon hatches. So they are on the other side, but not here. I added these stairs. It's not my best work. Actually, it's better on the other side. Should have paid a little bit more attention, I think. It's a bit wonky. But still good enough. The anchors are in place. Let's show it to you. Pretty happy with that. But for future reference, these things were supposed to be on the other end. I'm gonna do that next time. I added some pin rails. I have to admit, I just put them somewhere wherever I had space. So this one ended up there. And here at the back, I have one more over here and on the other side. Here the same thing. Of course, when I was putting in the pins, that one broke off, so I had to glue it back in place. They're awkwardly positioned, as you can see on the railing. But yeah, sort of the best that I could do, given the busyness of the deck. I also added a bit of, I have no idea what to call these things. They were on the ship originally, and decided to put them back on. Also, here, these black things, I also put them just somewhere, without paying attention as to where I put them. And yeah, that was the last bit of work to be done. I have to varnish these things one more time, and I'll just show you the other side of the ship. So you can see that there are some bits of marking tape on it. That's because I touched up the blue paint here and there. But yeah, it's okay. Let me just rotate it a bit. That's not bad. Not bad. So yeah, I'll do one more video in good lighting where I just walk around the entire ship. But that's it, I think, for this build series. I have no idea what the next project is gonna be. We'll see. At least thanks for watching and sticking around until the end. I know it's a long build. I've been working on it for 18 months or so. But still appreciate all the comments and the likes on the videos. Special thanks to the people from the Ships of Skill forum. It's a great place to learn something about this hobby and about the ships. So yeah, it was a great experience again. Thanks for watching and see you on the next project.